In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find best campaign in Whop. We'll walk through a simple flow that helps you discover strong, trustworthy campaigns using Whop's built-in discovery tools, search, and social proof. Start on your home feed in Whop. From the left-hand sidebar, click Discover. This takes you to the main Discover page, which is where the real filtering and evaluation begins. If you already know what you're after, use the search bar at the top to type in a keyword that matches the niche or offer you're interested in. Keep your terms simple at first. You can always refine them after you see the initial results. Next, browse the available categories to narrow things down. A great place to start is the Verified Businesses category. Verified listings have passed Whop's checks, which adds an extra layer of confidence as you compare options. Explore the category that best fits your goals, then click into a listing that looks promising to open its detail page. Once you're inside a listing, head straight to the reviews. Scan the overall rating, but spend time reading a handful of recent reviews for context. Look for specifics about results, responsiveness, and support quality, not just star counts. Consistent, detailed feedback is a strong indicator that the campaign delivers on its claims. Now check how many people have joined. You'll typically find this count on the About section or near the top of the page. A healthy join number can signal demand and credibility, especially when it aligns with positive recent reviews. Use this as a supporting data point rather than the only deciding factor. After you verify that the information, reviews, and join numbers line up with what you need, return to the Listings Home tab. When you're confident it's the right fit, click Join. That's your signal to move forward with a campaign that's been searched, filtered, reviewed, and verified to your standards. Follow these steps each time, and you'll build a reliable process for finding the best campaigns in Whop quickly and confidently.